How to back up WhatsApp messages to Google Drive on iPhone. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be discussing about how to back up WhatsApp messages to Google Drive on iPhone. So let's get started. So first thing, just open up your WhatsApp application. So once you open up WhatsApp application, just head over to the settings from the bottom right corner, and from over here just scroll down until you see the option that is chats. Simply select it and just select chats backup, and now just click on backup now to start creating a local backup. And once you do that, just head back over here and just click on export chat, and once you tap on that, just select any of the chat which you like to keep a backup from, and just click on attach media. If you like to attach a media, you can just click on attach media. If you don't prefer media, you can just click on without media. So for now I'll simply click on attach media, and once you do that, just head over to just scroll all the way to right until you see the option that is Google Drive. So simply select it, and now it will just open up your Google Drive, and you can simply tap on this upload button to start uploading your chat as a backup to your Google Drive on iPhone. So that's how we do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.